Hey loves, so today I'm going to show you how to start knotless for beginners and how to feed in hair. So first you want to start off with hair that is clean, blow dried, and straight as possible. Now I'm just kind of showing you how straight and blow dried out it needs to be. Now I'm going in with my braid gel of choice. And then later I'm going to go in with a comb to slick it up so that that foundation can be slick as possible. Now I'm just showing you me sectioning the hair and kind of what size my sections are for when I feed in the hair. I'm going to do a separate video on that as well. Now I'm going in and parting, and then I'm going to add some braid gel just to make that part straight. And I did give my client a choice on how big she wanted her knotless to be, because we're doing large knotless today, and she wanted medium large, not too jumbo, so that's what we did. Now I'm sectioning the hair into 3 different parts because we're doing 3 braids in the back. Okay, so we're starting off with that middle section. I'm just kind of showing you me slicking it down with that braid gel to make sure it is slick so that we can catch every hair for that braid. Make sure you have that comb to smooth it out. I know y'all see how slick that is. Yes, that is what we want. When I first started the braid, we're going to start off with 3 different sections. I'm just kind of showing you how even the sections need to be. And when I first started braiding, I braid down twice. Here is me doing that. I'm going to braid once and then one more time before I add in hair. And then once I add in hair, I braid down once and then I add in another piece of hair. And then as I'm going down, I do add in another piece of hair for thickness. Just gonna braid it down, braid it down, braid it down. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications. Okay, now I'm starting on with the other section of hair. I'm gonna do the same thing, the same process. Sectioning into 3, one in the middle and 2 on the sides. And as I said before, when I start braiding it off, I braid down twice and then I feed in the hair. Braid down one time, then feed in another piece of hair. And as I'm braiding down, I do add another piece of hair for thickness. Yes, make sure you subscribe. Turn on those post notifications for your girl. So now I'm kind of going in for that third braid. I didn't show that on camera, but now you can see that finish. Looking for those 3 braids in the back. Then I'm kind of slicking the hair up. I'm slicking that hair up for that next section. I'm going to part that off. And then on this next clip, I'm going to show you that first braid. Yes, this is the finished look for those braids. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Zari Slay Station. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.